New product release. Time to see if it's going to work. Our double header. 2 header bars at once. There's the first one. And when you look at that carbon fiber, isn't that pretty? Imagine the added strength with the carbon fiber holding your headlights in. We'll get them cut up. We'll bond one in and a front end on Monday, and we'll show it to you bonded in. Excellent job, man. C3 headlight support bar. 68 to 82. We're making it in carbon fiber. It's infused, so the strength of this thing is going to outperform the steel header bar. And the nice thing of this is it's not going to rust. So odds are pretty good. This thing's going to out-survive whoever puts it in, and maybe the rest of the car. Carbon fiber infused. We're installing these now in our front ends. Apparently something happened with the supplier that was making these. Can't get them anymore. And so that's what encouraged us to make this. So we use a jig to install the header bar. We put a set of factory headlight supports in there. Bolt the headlight supports to the header bar and to the front nose bar, which is also glass. And she's there to stay. Thanks for watching.